Hey, this JDNFIA. Instead of ending a phrase regular, you can actually go to the 3 to the 4, and then from the 6 to the 5, no matter what key you're in. 3, 4. This is in E. Alright, doing A, doing A. 3, 4, 6. 5, do it in C. Doesn't matter what key you're in. Same concept. 3, 4, 6, 5. All right. So what we're doing is we're closing out a phrase in it. So say we are saying, "How great." All right. 7, 3, 6. 5, 1, 4. Alright, to the 5. Right here. 3, 4, 6, 5. Alright, great. Back to the top. Alright, so it takes you back to the top. And it works on several different songs. I just want to thank you, Lord. It takes you back to the top. Alright, say nobody greater than you. Alright, so you can just play around with it, and you'll find several places you can use it. So let me give you the chords. Alright, no matter what key you in. Alright, we'll look at it in C, I guess, first. Alright, so I'm gonna play a 3. Several different choices. I can play a regular E minor chord, or in this case I'm playing a left hand I'm playing E, right hand I'm playing the D, G, and C. Alright, you can play the E there if you want to. I like to play the E. Alright, next chord, you can decide whether you want to play an F major 7. I'm playing an F major 7, or you can play a regular F. Alright, F major 7 here, left hand F and C, right hand E, A, and C. Alright, so it's my 3 and my 4. Alright, so 3, 4. Alright, 6. I'm gonna walk into my 6. A, B, C. My 6 in this case is A minor, so I'm gonna use the A, B, C to walk in. Play an A minor chord. Alright. I'll play that chord here. Left hand A and E. Right hand I have a G. So I'm walking A, B, C. I'm just playing G and C there. That'd be good. Alright. So I have A, E, G, and C. And then I'm going to my G major, my 5. So it's G and D on my left hand, right hand G, B, D. You can come off the A however you want to decorate it. Alright, so that's a 3, 4. I messed up there a little bit. 5. Alright. Like I said, don't matter what key you in. Just take it 3, 4, 6. And you have options on how you play those chords. Alright. But the main thing is 3, 4, 6, 5. Alright. One more G, 3, 4. Alright. 6, 5. Alright. So I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.